place is a disaster. It's like a bomb went off. Good morning, everybody. It is cold. It is, let me see here, because I'll tell you, it feels like it's about 12. Apparently the weather network is no longer available, so that's cool. I never liked them anyway. We're gonna carpet, or get as much carpeting done as we can. I feel like I need a nice workspace for that, so my workshop is just a disaster zone. You know when you're working and you put everything everywhere and you're like, oh, I'll just put that here for now and I'll put that there and oh, I can fit that over there, and then all of a sudden you look at it with fresh eyes and you're like, what the hell? That's where we are. I picked up some T50 stainless steel staples because you don't want that stuff to start rusting. I got my carpet and I got my carpet glue. That's marine carpet, that's marine glue. What are you gonna do? And I got a couple of these. These were a couple bucks at Home Hardware. I think this is what you use, though I vaguely recall the woman telling me to use a roller for this, but it was so long ago. So long ago. This here is your Syntec certified Scafita 7150 marine floor adhesive. The surface must be free from paint, varnish, grease, or any other contaminant. What? What? Prior to installation, the surface must be free from paint, varnish, oil, grease, or other contaminant. I varnished everything. Well, I urethaned it. I didn't use varnish. Is that the same thing? George is getting angry. Indoor, outdoor, spa urethane, clear satin. Put a little pin in that. Put a little pin in that. Apply after proper, unroll the floor covering over the area being covered. Determine that the rolls of sufficient length and width. Center of the floor. And one end of the deck. Oh yeah, they want a medium nap paint roller. Spread the adhesive. I'll return these. This video should be called, how many times did I go to the friggin' hardware store? Good thing I'm a painter and always have these on hand. Well, I got a 4-inch foam and a high-inch nap microfiber, so I'm gonna go microfiber.
Like, I mean, it even sticks to fiberglass and aluminum now, so like...
We're trying to figure this out. Called the store I purchased the things from, and while they're familiar with the product, they're not familiar with whether or not polyurethane would pose an issue. Polyurethane is a modern day spar varnish, and apparently this is a chemical sticky glue marine flooring adhesive. Unlike rubber cement, which will eat away at the backing of the carpet, this doesn't. It's chemically globulized, I believe is the term. So I guess in that regard, perhaps, I mean, I feel like there's still a grip on that, but...
There's still a grip? I feel like the most I would say is if you rough sanded it just to give it a bit more grip, because it is smooth.
But they're saying, well, for what I'm understanding, what they're saying, is that I might have to take every single piece of decking that I've spar varnished, that I've helmsmaned.
So I guess you didn't need to spend any money on spar varnish.
I did for this side.
Oh yeah.
3 or 4 times I've spar varnished it.
Now you want to get nuts? Come on, let's get nuts.
You know, why would it go? Why would I expect it to go smooth? I'm the idiot. Like, that's all spar varnish, right? Just clogging. Welcome to Clog Town, bro. I am not pleased. I had like 4 coats of spar varnish on that thing, and I'd also poured it on and spread it around, and I'm finding that I can see it glopping up, hence the wire brush. I've got 1 paint stripping. I don't know if it's a 20 or a 40 grit, and it seemed to do some stuff, but I don't have much of it. I'm finding the Diablo 60 grit better than whatever this HDX 60 grit is. I'm gonna look on the Canadian Tire app, and if they've got like a 10 grit paint stripping, then it might behoove me to spend an hour on the road versus spending 3 hours. And how many how many pads here? Oh, and my grandfather's old Craftsman.
Oh, gee whiz.
It didn't do anything. It just went. So that was a bust. Good morning, all. How you doing? How you doing today? I've been going for about 2 hours this morning. Got all these sanded down. I forgot about these 2 pieces, so sanded them down. So that's all the wood for the boat. Side that will be carpeted, and the sides sanded down.
I feel tired.
We did pretty good. But look at how gunked up that spar varnish has made everything, eh? So, I got the compressor going now. I'm just in the process of blowing everything off. Wish I could blow off this project. But anyway, let's blow all this dust off, all this crap, and then we'll be back to where we were this time yesterday. Look at us. Okay. I didn't realize there was so many parts when I was building it. Oh, I hope carpeting's easy. That'd be so cool if carpeting was just fun and simple and went really quick. Friggin' boat, eh? I'm sure if you were with me, you'd offer me some encouraging words. Do I think this is going to be tough? No. Do I think it's going to be finicky? Yeah. Do I think I'm going to cut myself? Maybe. But here's the thing. I think it will be a little bit finicky. And finicky's okay, you know. So I think similar to everything else that we've done on this build, this is all gonna be about baby steps. Geez, those are some mama jammas. If what I think is about to happen, I'm gonna open up a beer. Are we having breakfast beer, kids? We're not, but it came close. It came close. I don't know if you can even see. I could bore you with measurements, but that'll be fine. We got lots to do today. So we will struggle with our stapler. Oh! No. Why? Why? Why won't you do what I want? T50? I got a T50. Oh my God. Have I forgotten how to put staples in? Yes, I have. How do I load my stapler? You know, I don't know what I'm doing. How do you load a stapler? All right, we're gonna pretend like we know what we're doing. Maybe we'll take it by surprise. Oh.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
Look, man, 4 crazy days in New York City. I have barely slept. I'm running on adrenaline and coffee. I cut a brother some slack with his staples. Baby steps. Step number 1 from the video I watched, pick a side that everything's gonna do its thing on. So if this is front, then all pieces are gonna go that way. Right? Because the light and stuff will hit things different. So that's easy enough, I suppose. I'm gonna grab a square board. Just to make my life easy. And I don't know if there should be like a certain amount that you leave overhanging. I will tell you one thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that there for top. Okay. I'm gonna use my eyes. So I got pretty good eyes. And I'm gonna say that is about where I want to be. Maybe it's a big overhang, maybe not. I don't know. Straight edge, we'll do a cut. That's pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of white school glue. trick I was taught on the video I watched was to do that. Is that too much overhang? I don't know. So for this, what this guy did was he cut the carpet up. Kind of shaved it out. That, I believe. Do like a nice little bendy bit. Oh, that's better. All right, dudes. That's it, boat's done. And the final thing your man did his was aluminum. That's gonna sit there. How frickin' smart is that gonna look? Well, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. How does that look?
Look at that!
Can you handle it?
Yeah, just a little tighter of a fit. So now we're kind of like at that point again.
Whoa!
Oh,
It's not a slide, babe.
it is when you're stuck inside.
You gotta just... So then when this goes up, look at that.
There you go.
Dude, I cannot express the level of excitement Holy shit.
Look how smart that looks. It does.
But look at that, with the gunmetal gray and the carpet.
Looks great. It looks really great. This carpet's so plush. I did not know it was going to be so plush.